Here we have a 13-inch South Bend lathe. It's got the real long bed on it. I don't know what that is, 72 inches or what. Here's what goes with it. A collet closer, the collet stuff for the headstock. This lathe is under power and working at the present time. It's got the steady rest. It's got a 6-jaw just true buck chuck. It's got the driving plate, face plate. There's another face plate, and there it is. Might be able to find a tool holder or two. The live center does not go with it. That goes on my other lathe. So there you have it. Give me a call if you're interested. 235-2765. And we'll see what all we can find that goes with it.